Give us this day our daily bread, and today's daily bread comes from Colossians chapter 2, verse 7. Let your roots grow down into Him, and let your lives be built on Him. Then your faith will grow strong in the truth you were taught, and you will overflow with thankfulness. Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm V. I pray you're having an amazing day. Today on the Sunday Plate, we're having classic BLT. The ingredients for this classic comfort are simple: lettuce, tomato, butter, mayo, Texas toast, and of course, bacon. We'll start this recipe by washing our lettuce and tomato. Slice the tomato as thin or as thick as you like. Set those aside while you prepare your bacon. Now, some people like to prepare their bacon on top of the stove, but I prefer to bake mine. It's easy, less mess, and produces a crispier bacon. I've placed a piece of parchment paper on a baking sheet for quick, easy cleanup. Bake the bacon at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. While your bacon is in the oven, you want to prepare your toast. Melt the butter on a hot griddle, making sure to coat each piece front and back evenly. Cook those on both sides for about 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Once you finish the toast and the bacon is done, it's time to build your sandwich. I've placed my bacon on a napkin to soak up any excess grease. I'm building my sandwich with mayo, lettuce, and tomatoes, but you can make this classic your own. Some people add cheese, avocado, or even pickles. Do you prefer your BLT classic style, or do you have a different variation? Let me know in the comments. Now you know a BLT is not a BLT if you don't have a side of Lay's chips to pair it with. And there you have it. Easy, simple, delicious, classic BLT. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.